Do you want to learn a ridiculously simple business model that thousands of people are using to make a six-figure income while working from home or wherever they can get online? Well, buckle up, because in this video, you'll discover how you can get this business up and running in a week or less so you can build a side hustle, a second business, or a primary career so you can earn your time and financial freedom. Before we continue, disclaimer alert. This isn't a get-rich-easy video. If that is what you are looking for, then you can click off right now, because although the business model is stupid simple, there's a lot of work involved and you won't make a six-figure income overnight. I also can't guarantee that you will make any money. And quite honestly, most of you won't, because a majority of people who start this business quit before they ever see results. I also don't know you, your background, your work ethic, your dedication, your motivation, your desire, or your business skills or practices. All I can show you is the business model that has made thousands of people just like you a six-figure, heck, a seven-figure income. So if that sounds interesting to you, let's push on. So where should we start? Well, I guess we should start where all good stories start, and that is at the beginning. The first step in this business model is to first find out why you want to start a business in the first place. So let me give you an example. I started my business because I wanted to quit my 9-to-5 job. I wanted to control my number one resource, which is my time. And I didn't want to trade 5 days of working for 2 days off anymore. And I certainly didn't want to have to ask to use my time to take vacations or spend time with my wife and kids. I want to do what I want, when I want, with whomever I want. And finally, I want to teach others how to do the same so they can spend their own time doing whatever they want to do. This is probably the most important step, because like I said, although this method we are about to explore is ridiculously simple, it takes a lot of work, and your strong why will keep you from quitting on the days when it gets hard. Alright, now on to the second step, and that is to write a list of everything that interests you. What are your hobbies? What are you good at? What topic are you an expert in? What is something you love to teach? Write it all down and then find the common themes. Maybe you love to cook, or garden, or fix cars, or you love turtles. Whatever it is, find that one topic, and this becomes what is called your niche. Now, if you can't find your niche, what I can tell you is that in this business model, the highest income producing niches have to do with either wealth, health, or relationships. So if you want to explore those further, that's a good place to start. Once you find your niche, the next step is to find products or services that help support that niche. For instance, let's say you love to cook and you have every cooking tool, instrument, and gadget that is used in cooking, and you bought all of these products on Amazon.com. What you'll want to do is then go join what is called Amazon.com's partner program. What this means is that Amazon will give you your own special link that is specific to you. So for instance, if you recommend this pot to someone and you send them this link so they can go buy that pot on Amazon, and that person buys the pot using your specific link, you earn a commission. This is called affiliate marketing, and pretty much every company has some sort of affiliate program you can join. Popular stores like Walmart, Target, and Home Depot all have affiliate programs. Software companies like Microsoft, Adobe, and Norton, they all have affiliate programs. There are thousands of affiliate programs out there. You just need to find the right program for your niche. But here's a power tip. You will want to find an expensive product or service in your niche to recommend. And it should be a product or service that you use and love yourself. So for instance, maybe you took a $2,000 online cooking class, or you bought a $5,000 oven, or a $6,000 refrigerator. Point is, you will want to find a product or two that is high ticket that you can recommend. Why? Well, I'll get to that in just a moment. Okay, but now what? How can I get these people to click on my links and buy the products, you're probably wondering? Well, I'm glad you asked, because we are going to discuss that in a second. But first, we have to talk about what you are going to give away for free. Well, not really free, but instead of money, people can only get the thing you are giving away if they give you their email address. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. Let's say your niche is music, and specifically you love to play the piano. And you have a list of songs that you wrote, and they are easy to learn. You could create a video teaching people how to play those songs, or you could create a PDF of the sheet music for those songs. And the only way to get access to that video or that PDF is someone has to give you their email address. You want to create something of value that people want and need and are willing to give up their email address to get it. And this is called a freebie or a lead magnet or an opt-in. The whole purpose of this freebie is to start building a list of emails of people. And I'll explain why you want to do this in just one moment. But first, we need to talk about the final piece of the puzzle, and that is your content. What is content? Do you like to write? If you do, you might want to start a blog. Do you like to produce videos? Well, maybe YouTube, Instagram stories, or even TikTok might work for you. Do you like to talk but hate being on video? Well, you might want to start a podcast. Whatever you choose, your content is where you talk about those products or services that you use and recommend, and you talk about the features, the benefits, as well as how those products and services solved your problems and how they can solve the problems of your future customers. The purpose of your content is to find people that will want your freebie or your products you are recommending. So let's put all the pieces of the puzzle together now so you can see how simple this business model really is. In your content, you are going to talk about the products and services you recommend. So your YouTube channel or your blog or your Instagram stories or TikTok or podcast. Whatever content you choose, within it, you are going to have links to your freebie. And when someone gives you their email address, they go onto your email list. Once someone opts into your email list and gets your freebie, you can then send them to the expensive product you promote. Keep in mind, there has to be a correlation between the freebie and the product. So for instance, you wouldn't want to give away a free piano lesson only to turn around and send them to a page that sells cellos. If they buy the expensive product using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. But let's go back to the email list. Typically, most people won't buy your product right away, especially if it's expensive. So that is why you have your emails. You can teach them more about how to use the product, why they need it, and how it can benefit them. You can also build a relationship with the people on your email list. Let them get to know you, provide value to them, and trust, and every email points them to the expensive product. But not everyone will buy that product. They might not want it or need it. Well, they might not want that product, but maybe they will want the other products you recommend that you found on the other programs like Amazon, Walmart, or Adobe. And you can also email your list for other reasons. Maybe you have a new product you find, you can email your list and tell them about it. Or maybe you have new content that is coming out and you want to share it with them. Or maybe you have another expensive program that is of more interest to them and they'll buy that. That is the power of having an email list, and that is how this whole business model works. Like I said, it's stupid simple, but it takes a lot of hard work to make content, put together the freebies, write the emails, find the products, etc. The good news is that there's a great training program that I recommend that takes a deeper dive into each of these steps and shows you exactly what to do. And I will leave a link down below so you can go check out that training. Also, there are some tools that you will need for this business model. And I put together a playlist that shows you the email program I recommend to build your email list and the software program I recommend to build your freebie page. And that is right here. So if you want to go learn more about those, go watch those videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.